Counting the days until Christmas has never been so sweet with this Christmas Advent Calendar Cookie Confection Collection from Confection Couture. Once your cookies are baked and iced, load the first stencil into the Stencil Genie along with the Quadrant masking tools and Screen Genie. Test the airflow on a paper towel prior to airbrushing each cookie and adjust as needed. Apply the colorant in light coats using small, circular motions. Wipe excess colorant off of the stencils and tools frequently. Use the Quadrant masking tool to isolate each number and protect the rest of the cookie from overspray. Every few cookies, you'll need to clean your Screen Genie a bit more thoroughly. Rinse under a sink or use a chemical-free spray bottle with water, then dry completely. Continue airbrushing the other black stencil elements. For more intricate designs, such as the eyes, mouth, and buttons on the gingerbread man, use Glad Press and Seal to isolate small stencil elements. Flatten out the plastic to remove any bubbles or wrinkles, then use the Gyro Cut Craft and Hobby cutting tool to cut around and peel away the desired shapes. Now, mask and airbrush as described earlier. Finish airbrushing the remaining black stencil elements. Before switching to emerald green, swap out the airbrush tool. Stencil the green border on all cookies that have one. Don't forget to frequently wipe down your stencil tools. Use the press and seal to isolate any green stencil elements. Once finished with green, clean your airbrush tools using the following technique. Rinse out the reservoir 4 or 5 times using clean water. Next, reattach the hose and fill the reservoir with water, running it completely through the tool with the airflow turned all the way up. Repeat this step, once again with water, and then a third time with an inexpensive 100 proof vodka. Continue running air through the tool for a few seconds after the alcohol is gone. Switch colorants and proceed with airbrushing all of the red stencil elements. Next, load some honey colorant and complete all golden stencil elements. For Santa's beard, try some silver shimmer food coloring. Test it out on a white piece of paper before airbrushing. If you want the silver a bit more pronounced, try adding a drop of black to several drops of silver in an eyedropper bottle. Finally, for the outer edge of the gingerbread man, load some Harvest Brown into your airbrush tool. Your Christmas Advent Calendar cookies are ready to bring joy into the hearts of your family and friends. Visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com today for all of your holiday baking needs.